Honorable Faiyaz Siddiq Koya, the Director Economics, Mr. Sigatoka, Senior, who will be receiving the grant this morning. Our Chief Guest this morning, thank you, to our Chief Guest, the Honorable Minister for Industry, Trade, Tourism, Lands and Mineral Resources, the Honorable...
To the Provincial Administrator, Nandorana Bosa, senior government officials, ladies and gentlemen, Tolvina, Namaste, and a very good morning to all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm glad to be here in Rugby Town this morning to yet again celebrate and at the same time witness the fulfillment of the Fijian government's promise through the disbursement of the micro and small business grant to the successful recipients here in Sigatoka. Ladies and gentlemen, it is the vision of the Fijian government to ignite entrepreneurial spirit in Fijians. The 5-year and the 20-year National Development Plan sets the overall vision of promoting entrepreneurial culture through sustainable micro and small and medium enterprises. The growth of the MSMEs is essential for job creation and income generation and rural development and poverty alleviation and the empowerment of youth and women. And therefore, the policy interventions have focused on improving the institutional setting and access to finance, business incubation and training, and connecting the MSMEs to markets. Ladies and gentlemen, the Micro and Small Business Grant is an initiative that enables Fijians to get access to funds to start or to grow their businesses. We are entering the 35th phase of implementation since its inception in 2014. I'm very moved by the total number of applications that were received from Sigatoka and the nearby areas, which totaled 3,871. This figure, ladies and gentlemen, shows the level of interest in the province of Nandronga and Lawaqa to start a business, and I personally commend the effort that has been made. In this regard, this morning I'll be distributing grants to 1,213 out of the 3,871 applicants here in Sigatoka. The applications received go through a rigorous assessment process which includes both desktop and field assessments. And the recipients today have proven to have the ability and the know-how to undertake business and positively contribute to Fiji's MSME sector. Ladies and gentlemen, the number of applications received this year have reached another high compared to the last financial year. And we recorded a total number of 47,045 applications that were received from 14 different centers which includes Sigatoka. This figure, ladies and gentlemen, provides an indication to the Fijian government on the level of interest generated from ordinary Fijians in taking up business as a source of income and to improve their livelihoods. And not only that, the result of the implementation of the program speaks for itself, with a record of 81% as a success rate. And with that, I'm delighted to announce that the Fijian government will continue to implement this program under the 2018-2019 financial year with a budget of $6.4 million, and as set out in the NDP. However, the MSBG is not the only initiative for micro and small businesses that the ministry implements, and to date the MSBG program has 22,145 micro and small entrepreneurs that have been assisted and impacting the lives of 110,725 Fijians with a government's investment of $21.4 million. Furthermore, there are initiatives such as the roadside stalls, which was recently launched by the Honorable Prime Minister and provides vendors along the highway and in the areas outside of the municipalities, and standardized stalls to sell their produce. This project will not only improve the standards in the presentation and the hygiene of the produce, but also assist to gradually mainstream these vendors into the formal sector. Ladies and gentlemen, these initiatives are simply to give recognition to our micro and small entrepreneurs with respect to their contribution to the Fijian economy. Yesterday, ladies and gentlemen, I launched 2 projects in the Central Division, namely in Silana Village in Tailevu and Cornivia, which were in the ecotourism and agriculture sectors. The projects were supported by the Integrated Human Resources Development Program, the IHRDP. And over the years, the IHRDP has successfully implemented over 28 projects in the Central Division and has improved the livelihoods of approximately 560 odd people. And they've been able to earn over $250,000 and actively contribute to the economy. In addition, also, some of you may be aware of the National Export Strategy. Over the past 12 years has assisted 104 projects, out of which 76% have been small and medium enterprises. Ladies and gentlemen, the MSBG is a unique initiative as the ministry has partnered with the Fiji Development Bank. And I'm also happy to state that business development support services will be provided both by the ministry and the Fiji Development Bank to ensure that businesses that are assisted today will be sustainable in the near future. These business development support services are provided through a mentoring service and business trainings and financial advice, to name a few. And in addition, the monitoring system or monitoring exercise to gauge the impact of the assistance and also to identify the areas of concerns that will need extra support, both financially and operationally. I strongly encourage all the recipients who will be receiving their grants today to make the most of the little investment that the government has placed in your respective businesses and ensure that you work on reaching greater heights. Ladies and gentlemen, with those few words, I wish you all well and the very best in your future endeavors. Vinawale, thank you very much.
This morning, but we will come to them later. Abdul Sami, Abdul Wahid, Abid Shah, Abhinesh Singh, Andy Lemba, Andy Yumia. See the white envelopes. Could you please go back to your seats? And Susana Vakaila Kemba. Anissa Leitho, Ish Kumar,
Nelkat Swami, Autiko Kuriduba, Adeniona Kimbo.
thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Can you go back to your seats? For those of you